First and foremost, the Mennonite community is not engaged in any litigation. They are persons and Belizean citizens from the Mennonite community that are seeking to have their constitutional rights upheld. At this point, we have quite a number of people. I cannot really, I'm not at liberty to disclose names until the matter is before the court. So this will, in terms of that, this will be the extent of it. In terms of, I believe it's not a secret at this point that there are members from the Mennonite community that are seeking to challenge the SIs and its restrictions as relates to their constitutional freedoms. This is a situation where the Mennonite community, in terms of member Belizeans from that community and other Belizeans, have recognized where their rights are being infringed upon and seek to have the court in its jurisdiction as the oversight body responsible for interpreting the Constitution. They want the court to look into it from that point of view, to make a determination whether their constitutional rights are in fact being infringed.
How many clients are you representing in this particular case?
There are roughly about 100 to 200 people. As you know, there is a constitutional right to privacy, there's a constitutional right to life, there's a constitutional right to conscience, protection of your right to conscience, and the protection of right to movement, which was violated over the weekend. There were some 60 members of the Mennonite community that were stopped, had their licenses photographed, have themselves photographed by police, irrespective of the fact that there is a court judgment that outlaws that kind of behavior by the police. In fact, the government of Belize was made to pay, I believe, about $50,000 for that practice, but yet and still, the law enforcement agency of Belize have taken upon itself to break the law and to violate the constitutional rights of citizens of Belize.